everyone, I'm Dr. Didi. Today in this video, I'm going to introduce Woodpecker's brand new intelligent position system, AI Ray Pro, launched in 2025. Now, I'm going to walk you through 4 key areas: accessory overview, tips for safe operation, X-ray operation demo, and positioning function demo, so you can quickly get started and use the device safely. After opening the package, you'll find the following accessories. Before you start, make sure everything is there. To ensure safe and correct use of the dental X-ray device, always use the original charger. The power cord can only be replaced with the same type. If the magnet is tightly attached to the front of the beam limiting equipment, it will not be recognized. Do not rotate the rotation restriction sleeve or the front and rear positioning covers. We recommend using a disposable protective sheet to keep things clean and hygienic. And holding the device with both hands for steady shots and the best image quality. Even if you don't use the positioning mode, the device can still take X-rays normally. Now, let's have our engineer show you how to operate the AI Ray Pro and use its positioning mode. Now, let me show you how to use the positioning function. Press the exposure button to enter the pre-exposure interface. When the distance between the sensor and the front end of the beam limiter exceeds 5 centimeters, the screen will display an out-of-range prompt. First, adjust the distance between the sensor and the X-ray machine to within 5 centimeters. Then, set the exposure angle between the X-ray unit and the magnetic sensor holder to match the recommended value. When the angle turns green, alignment is complete. When the angle is correct, keep it steady and move the main unit until the ring turns green. Once both angle and sensor alignment are set, long press the exposure button to start. The screen will show exposure in progress. That's the whole AI Ray Pro operation demo.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dent Talk for more dental tips and helpful information in every single new video.